In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the contact section on your online store theme. Whether you're enhancing your website's user interface or simply personalizing the look to match your brand's aesthetic, these steps will guide you in making noticeable improvements. Now, let's jump right in and get started. First, let's navigate directly to the online store theme. This is a crucial part of the process, as your theme dictates the overall appearance and functionality of your storefront. Once you're at the theme settings, you'll find a variety of options, but for today's task, we'll be focusing specifically on the contact section. This area is essential because it serves as the primary point of communication between you and your customers. Making it visually appealing and easy to use can significantly enhance the user experience. Go ahead and locate the contact section in your admin panel. You should see a contact option, and when you click on it, it will expand to reveal the edit section. Here is where the real customization begins. The edit section gives you the liberty to modify various aspects of your contact page, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs and design preferences. Next, it's time to infuse some personality into your contact section. Feel free to type anything relevant about the purpose of this section or welcoming notes that might resonate with your audience. Adding this personal touch can turn a common contact form into a warm invitation for customers to reach out. You'll also want to take this opportunity to adjust the padding. Padding is the space around the text or elements within your section. By tweaking it, you can control the spacing, making sure everything looks balanced and pleasing to the eye. Then, you can move on to the color scheme. Your choice of color is vital as it can set the tone and mood of your page. Stick with colors that align with your brand's overall look, ensuring consistency across your entire site. Whether it's a bold color to grab attention or a softer hue for a more subtle approach, the right color selection can make a significant difference in how visitors perceive your store. Once you've made these changes, don't forget this important step. It's time to save your work. You'll want to hit the Save button to ensure that all the adjustments you've just made are safely stored and visible to your site's visitors. Saving frequently is a good practice as it helps prevent any accidental loss of your hard-earned customization efforts. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully personalized your contact section, making your online store more inviting and distinctively yours. Thanks to these enhancements, your customers now have a clearly defined and aesthetically pleasing way to get in touch with you. Don't hesitate to revisit this section if you feel like trying out new designs or further fine-tuning it as your store and style evolve.